Hello traders, welcome back. This is day 27 of my 1 minute pocket option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100 and as of today the account stands at $3,011. In this session I will be trading live using my 1 minute trading strategies and I will explain every setup, confirmation and mistake so you can understand the logic and apply it correctly. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I am analyzing Euro US dollar chart and I have trading opportunity here. The price formed this swing low and it is a strong support zone, a buying zone. And let's wait. Okay, price is very near. Price at the support level. Let's open the 5-second chart because chances of reversal are very high. Okay, we have first buying candle. I'll not place my trade instantly. I will wait for the 1 minute candle to close. If 1 minute candle, you can see this particular candle closes without breaking this support zone, then the chances of reversal will be high. Last 8 seconds are remaining and looks like that price will not break this zone. So let's open the 5-second chart. And yes, I have placed the first trade of today's session in the upside direction. The reason why I placed this trade is very simple. Just focus here. This is the support zone. It has been formed recently. It's a swing low. And as I told you that if this particular candle closes without breaking this zone, then chances of reversal will be very high. Same thing happened. Price goes down, got rejected back, closes above, meaning chances of reversal were high. And that's why I placed this trade, because I also saw that on 5-second chart, we have multiple confirmation and confirmation here as well. And that's the reason I placed this trade. And last 8 seconds are remaining. Let's wait. It will be a winning trade, and this particular strategy is very simple and it really give good trading results. It is basically a trading strategy in which you focuses on the closing of the candle. Like I can show you multiple example here as well. Let's start from this level. So this is a recently formed resistance. Look at this. Price goes up. It closes without breaking this zone. What happened? Price reverses. Same thing happened here. Just use this. This is a recently formed support. Price reverses without breaking this zone. It closes above. Next candle, reverse. So same thing happened here as well. The price closes above without breaking the zone. So chances of reversal were high. And I found strong candlestick confirmation and placed my trade. Now, as the price is going up again, I can surely place another trade. The 1 minute candle closing is at the level. Let's open the 5-second chart. And yes, that's a confirmation. The price again gave a reversal confirmation. The closing of the candle is important. I am applying the same strategy, and the strategy says that if the candle does not break the zone and it formed a reversal pattern on 5-second chart, you can place the trade. Same thing happened. Price goes up. This was a clearly visible resistance zone. It was a strong resistance zone. The price, you can see the price goes up, get rejected back, closes inside. Same thing happened here as well. And on 5-second chart, we have a clearly visible reversal pattern. Just focus here. This is a reversal pattern and this is also a reversal pattern. So we found strong reversal pattern. The candle closing was also inside without a break, this particular strategy give result, and we have similar result here as well, and we booked profit in this trade also. So till now I have taken 2 trades. Both are based on a single concept. The closing of the candle is very important in this strategy, and we found that closing was inside and there was no breakout. The confirmation candles were also very strong. So I placed the trade and booked profit. Let's find one more trading opportunity using the same setup, and then I will end this session. Right now I am analyzing British pound yen chart, and I have trading opportunity here. A similar trade setup is forming here as well. As you can see, the price is going in the upside direction. So let's first draw the key level. Let's start from the wick and let's include the body. Now for us to place a trade, what we need the price to go up, hit this zone, and without breaking it, the 1 minute candle needs to close. And if it does the same thing, then I will look for bearish reversal pattern on the 5-second chart. You can see that price is inside. Now let's wait for the confirmation because chances of reversal are high. The 1 minute candle closes inside. Okay, this is a solid reversal pattern formed. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So we have taken the previous 2 trades based on similar trade concept. What was the concept? The 1 minute candle needs to close inside the zone. So if I talk about the zone, this is the whole zone, but if price wants to break, it needs to close above this particular level. So until and unless this particular level is broken, we will say that the resistance is not broken yet. Now in this case, you can see the candle closing is inside, which means there is no clear breakout and we can expect a reversal. To place a trade, we need strong selling confirmation, and here as soon as the price goes inside, it closes here. After that, a sell candle and a strong selling confirmation here, which was the sign that yes, we can place the trade, and that's why I placed the trade. It was based on the similar trade concept. The concept was very simple. The closing of the 1 minute candle needs to be inside the zone and we need to have confirmation. Today we have taken 3 trades. All were based on similar trade concept. The closing of the 1 minute was inside the zone and we have strong candlestick confirmation. Now the important part here is that the support or resistance needs to be formed recently. You can't use very old level, although you can use those level also, but I will prefer if you use the recent level. The major level can also be used, but if you apply the recent level, the chances of you getting the trades are easier because the major levels takes time, the price takes times to reach those levels. In this case, this was recently formed. So I placed my trade, and in euro US dollar also, the price, you can see it was recently formed and this support was also recently formed. So that's the reason. And we also need strong confirmation. If you don't have a strong candlestick confirmation on the 5-second chart, you can't place the trade. So in all 3 trades, I found strong reversal confirmation and the closing was inside. There was no clear breakout. So I placed the trade. I used the recent level also. So I'm ending this session here. I have taken 3 trades. All are in the profit using a single trading strategy. And I hope you can apply the same because it's a simple trading strategy. Anyone can apply the same if you know how support and resistance work. So thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with a new trading setup, new explanation. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.